Application of Pareto principle in business. How Pareto principle can be applied in business. Research has shown that the GDP distribution could be studied using the Pareto model. In particular, Dunford et al. 2014 used the Pareto model, and its results that 20% of the world's countries own 91.63% of its wealth. According to the 80-20 rule, roughly 80% of effects can be traced back to 20% of their initial causes. The vital few, that is what it is called. The 80-20 rule, law of the crucial few, and factual sparsity are all named after reading the works of Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, who wrote about the 80-20 connection. While teaching at the University of Lausanne, management consultant Joseph M. Juran adapted the idea for use in quality control and improvement. Pareto demonstrated in his first book, Cours, politique, that only 20% of Italians owned 80% of the country's land. Pareto efficiently is only loosely connected to the Pareto principle. A power law distribution, also called a Pareto distribution for a specific set of parameters, provides a rough mathematical description of the 80-20 rule. Power law statistics describe the distribution of many natural phenomena. The 80-20 rule is a management adage that states that 20% of customers account for 80% of sales. Subscribe to this channel if I have added value to you. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. Let's go.